So this is Kelsey. It's our new kind of Builder Plus fan. It sits somewhere between the McCoy and the Phase fan. It has a combination of both of those great designs. It's got an AC motor, a CM7 control. It comes in flat black, brushed nickel, white, and satin brass with flat black blades. This fan brings a clean, transitional design with a balance of affordability. The Kelsey 52-inch 4-blade ceiling fan, designed for today's homeowner, delivers refreshing airflow year-round with whisper-quiet operations. For easy functionality, this fan includes our CM7, which allows you for 4-speed fan control on the right side, and then on the left side, a full dimmer for your LED light kit. The Kelsey includes a 3000K LED integrated light kit, very slimline profile for great design, operated by your CM7 wall control for full dimming function. This fan comes in a variety of finishes, from white, satin brass with black blades, black, and brushed nickel, to fit any decor.